Okay, let's see how to get the green effect in a few minutes. First, I open a new background layer, and then I open the image I want to edit. Okay, next I first increase the expose, then increase the contrast a little bit, and then lower the highlights a bit. Then I increase the shadows a little bit, and then I increase the white a little bit. Okay, then I increase the clarity and vibrance a little bit. Then I increase the sharpness and noise reduction and color noise reduction. Okay, now the basic settings of the image are correct. Okay, now let us adjust the color correctly using hue, saturation and luminance. Okay, I'm adding green color hue here. Increase the green color hue and reduce the saturation of the green color, and then I increase the luminance of green color. Then you can adjust that little bit. Okay, now I am now changing the skin color using orange color. Increase the hue is the orange color, and increase the saturation of the orange color, and increase the luminance of the orange color. Okay, now the color of the image is set exactly as I want. Then I open the image using Photoshop. Okay, here is our final image with beautiful color set. So you can create a beautiful image in just a few minutes. Okay, if you enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel and give support to me. Thank you very much guys. See you the next video.